Hello, Gardener's Beehive guy here again. Here's another one of those Swiss honey houses. This is a smaller one this time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So, there it is, basically. Looks like a couple of hives in one. I want to go around the back and see what it looks like around the back. The bees, they seem to be quite busy. That one there's fanning. Those ones there seem to be all fanning. In typical Swiss fashion, it's all nicely made. Lock on the back. Don't know what it looks like inside, but yeah. Again, the bees seem to be all quite busy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.